very warm evening to all of you. So this is our second year consecutive effort. What we are calling the business partners for all over East, and I am thankful to each and everybody for being present in this event. A quick snapshot what we have done, in last 18 months, starting from April 2014 to September 2015. So now we have near about 60 plus valuable partners who are handling near about 2,000 of accounts. 2,000 accounts. In last 18 months, we have grown this account from 500 to 2,000. So I think it's a big, it's a big achievement from our side. And guys, you have really helped out to grow this. 232% revenue growth over 2013 and 14. This year, AMJ 2015, we have grown on OB, that is on 29%, and compared to JS 2014, we have grown 33%. We have introduced the revised commission structure. So previously, now we have implemented non-telecom commission structure also. The cloud commission structure has increased from 5% to 10% from September 2015. So I'm just checking that Somojit is looking carefully for this slide. Somojit, we are expecting some more orders from you for cloud. And Satta, I think he is very serious now, right? Anyway, the most successful thing what I believe that the launching of partner portal. So 50-60% of this launching of this partner portal has already been done from our side. So rest will be done within next 2 or 3 months. Whatever you are actually thinking that we have came into our mind for building this partner portal, basically to process your commission through the portal, which I think it will take part from next financial year. So I will not go into details of the product line because my boss has already explained that whatever product line we have, these are the, just for your information, we have 5 line of businesses starting from telecom service, data center service, cloud managed services, application services, and technology integration services. So what we do in telecom, these are the product lines we sell through our business partners. So in telecom services, MPLS VPN, internet lease line and managed services. In the data center services, we sell U-Space, and which is our co-location services for us. In cloud services, there is you will get platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. In technology integration services, we sell VoIP. Rahulji is here; he is delighted to have this thing. So Rahulji, now VoIP you can make out for it, and partners are already making money out of VoIP. Plus, we need to focus on video conferencing and audio conferencing. So both are included in TIS commission structure. Coming back to application services, we also sell Forum through our partners and MSIS through our partners, which is managed infrastructure services. Plus, for the school and college management software, Buzzier is also present. Now you can also sell Buzziers, and you will are eligible for getting commission for that. Okay. This slide is actually these are mutual winning mission between CIFI and partners. So if you see that we as a channel, we as a we from the organization itself, we mutually goes to the market for a winning strategy. So channel partner coming out with a lead is taking care from the account manager side. Each and every partner is a dedicated account manager. So that account manager, we are actually enforcing that lead to the closer. So engagement of the lead, when the lead is coming to us, we are actually verifying that lead, going to the customer, meeting the customer, giving him the solution also designed by CIFI. Then we are taking to a closer point. On the other hand, partners are also providing us manpower. These manpowers are going to the market, and they are actually an extended arm of support from the partner side. So this is a mutual combination from both CIFI's end and from the partners end, which helps us to grow from last year from 2013-14 to 2014-15 and way forward. So this partnership model is actually a recurring partnership model. Why? Because just imagine a quarter. A partner has not sold any link or any business. He has not done any business in a month. Still, he is eligible to earn money because of the recurring commission. Once a customer is coming to our network and we are generating, quarterly invoice to the customer, the time collection is happening against that invoice, partner is eligible for commission. Okay? So it is not like that this is a one-time selling and one time you are selling it to the customer and you are forgetting this. This is not. Yes, continuous support is required from the partner side also to the customers, and we are happy to say that some of our partners are making huge amount of money because of this recurring commission model. So support from marketing. We are already tied up with different agencies, and we are also providing marketing support to the partners from different sites. Okay, we every month we used to organize training program for our channel partner executives. So I personally give provide training to them, and also my solution team and my product team is also very they are also coming the regular basis. This training has been conducted in Cefi. Now channel partner engagement is a simple, very simple. We have some sort of forms and that need to be filled up, and it has to send to HQ for verification. From that, one part of that comes back to the partners along with his vendor code and his password for the portal. So now any partner who is joining in Cefi automatically getting their vendor code for partner portal and their username and password to access the portal. Because without the portal, nothing is going to from previous month. So starting from order logging to collection, everything is doing through partner portal. So what I am telling that I think this is the most exciting thing that what we have done in last 1.5 years. I think partners are now very happy that that we have ultimately launched this partner portal. What this partner portal is? So if a partner have 50 accounts, so all his 50 accounts will shown in this partner portal. Now, each and every account, whatever invoice is raising for that particular customer, partner is getting the entire stock of the invoice through his portal. So he is not depending now to the Cefi backend team. Okay, you just send me the invoice, then I will send it to the customer. It's like that. Just click in the partner portal, enter into the partner portal, go to the customer, download the invoice and send it to the customer. By the same way, after collecting the money, it is also, we are actually putting that entire collection, whatever collection has been happened from the customer side, and we are entering into the partner portal. So end of the day, partner is able to know what is his order booking, what is the invoice they are generating, and what is the collection they are doing. So for claiming a commission, these three things are important. So all these three things are included in partner portal. The last one which is not included, that is the commission structure, and my management is working on that, and I think probably from within next 2 or 3 months this commission structure will be also being implemented through partner portal. So what is there now in partner portal? A partner account mapping that is already available. So if there is some question from any partner, they can write a mail to their respective account manager, we will do the mapping. Order entry through portal is happening for last 3 months. So no order is processing without partner portal. Each and every order has to process through partner portal. Customer invoice download, that is also available in partner portal. If you are facing any difficulties, Deepak is here, you can contact him or his team. Payment entry in portal, that is also mandatory as of now. Yes, the most important point, feasibility. We are also starting feasibility through partner portal, and in this week actually that launch was there, but due to heavy rain in Chennai, we have actually postponed this for next 10 to 15 days. But I am sure that from 1st of Jan, each and every partner will raise the feasibility through channel portal. I think Shastriji is very very excited about this. So this is information to all of you that from January itself, you will raise your own feasibility through partner portal. So no dependency on the account manager. This is the commission structure. So for why partners are working for Cefi. So starting from telecom, there are actually basically two model of commission. One is order booking commission, another is recurring commission. Order booking commission is the whole commission, whole order value commission. Okay, if there is a order booking of 2 lakhs rupees, there is a one-time payment of order booking commission. For recurring commission, whatever quarterly invoice is generating for that particular customer, when partner is going and collecting that invoice, he is eligible for recurring commission. Plus there are other aspects also, as per there are some bonus commission also, there are commission for new customers, new acquisitions. So there is a huge lot of opportunity as per the money is concerned. So just a simple calculation, what we have done, if a partner do a business of 5 lakh rupees in a month, he is ultimately earning 43,750 rupees. How? The order booking commission is 4%, which is 20,000 rupees. The collection commission is 3%. If you divide it by 12, it is coming to 1250 rupees per month. The bonus is 3% of that 5 lakhs rupees. And if it is a 3 years contract, then another 2%. So if you calculate all these things for a 5 lakhs of order booking or a 5 lakhs of business, ultimately the payout is 43,000 plus. So I think this will give you some air to do business with SIFI. Some awards which we have already received. Okay, so award from Hitachi, award from Gartner, award from Superbrand, award from IBM. Some key customers. Thank you. If there is any question, you can catch me in the networking time, and so we are eager to meet you again. Thank you very much.